Yo, what's up, my friends? I'm Alex. Today is another day for me to unboxing a brand new gadget. The gadget I receiving is an iPad Pro 11 inch. Before go through the unboxing time, I want to you all listen carefully, especially if you are student who study in the university or else if you are the co-worker that work as a company, you need to decide properly before to purchase what iPad is suitable for your job's prospect. This video I will subdivide into few compartments to you all to make you can jump to the compartment that you want to hear about my thoughtful advice. Number one, I will talk about the iPad Pro 11 inch gadget spec. Number two is usual for the unboxing time. And number three is the comparison between iPad Pro 11 inch and iPad Pro 12.9 inch. When come to the last part is my user experience after I use it almost 2 weeks. Before I go through the unboxing time, substantially I will talk about the gadget spec for my iPad Pro 11 inch. Number one, this iPad Pro 11 inch is come with the fourth generation. The chip used in this iPad is the M1 chip. It can be multi-function, quite robustly, and I pick it is the 256 GB. Since I am a health science student, colossal of the note I need to make it. Therefore, I choose 256 GB. Why not we go through for the unboxing time? Now, back to our topics is what is the reason that tantalizing me to buy the iPad Pro 11 inch instead of other products, Apple products, such as 12.9 inch and the iPad Air 5 generations. Reason number one is the portable. When you use iPad Pro 11, you feel you can control the whole iPad and is compatible for you bring to the school or university or your workplace. Is not a such heavy compared with the iPad Pro 12.9. From here, we can obviously see a distinct difference is iPad Air 5 generation is use M1 chip when iPad Pro series is use M2 chip. If you are a student, you will not realize this chip bring a tremendous impact for you. But I realize one thing is processor will be faster than the previous chip. iPad Pro 11 is also a like media range of the price because if you are come from a low range family income or media range income family, I think you all would not definitely choose iPad Pro 12.9. I know the iPad Pro 12.9 is the sixth generations, all things go well, very good. But you try to imagine if you purchase that iPad, you become a burden of your family. Maybe you need to money installment your iPad. So I will not highly recommend you all buy the iPad Pro 12.9 if you like earning peanut family income. We compare for iPad Pro 11 inch with the iPad Air 5 generations. Both of these, all things is same, but have a certain aspect that is go beyond of that, make this iPad Pro outstanding with this iPad Air 5 generation. Number one is the battery life. iPad Air 5 generation, if you are a student, you will definitely jot down a lot of notes. If you exhaust your battery very fast, the system need to function efficiently in order to optimum screen for you, right? The runner up for this battery life is the iPad Pro 11 inch. When you look on the screen between iPad Air and iPad Pro 11 inch, it will make you very pleasure iPad Pro 11 inch. Because why? Because the RGB color is will brighter than the iPad Air 5 generations. If you are the student, please save your money when you doing a part-time job to buy iPad Pro 11 inch is sufficient for you. When it comes to the storage, I highly recommend the student to buy 256 gigabyte or 512 gigabyte. This 2 GB can be sustainable for you all to jot down the notes. If you affordable, then you can up to 1 TB. Number two is I want to reduce the usage of the paper. You know, I am the kind of the person that advocate recycling and reuse all that stuff. If you constantly use the paper, what is going to our rainforest? Our forest will be chopped down day by day, year by year, leading our soil erosions and our soil infertility. The consequence will bring down is our climax will be changed. So it's sadly to feel this. I don't want this occur in the 10 year, 20 year. I also know that use iPad Pro, I no need to waste my money to buy all the physical notebook, fancy highlighter and the pens. So when it come to my degree year, I would say this iPad is a game changer for me compared with the physical notebook. For instance, I make an example for you. If you are the student, you use a book to jot down. You jot down after that, a few days, you want to review back what is the thing you jot down. You need to take some time. What is the specific word, keyword you write now? You want to memorize, it takes some time. When it comes to the iPad Pro, you just directly type the keywords. It will showcase what are the keywords that you are looking for. Number three is the pricing. The pricing, I will compare the iPad Pro 11 inch with iPad Pro 12.9. Both of these is the same model. But why iPad Pro 12.9 is more expensive than iPad Pro 11 is due to the generations. iPad Pro 12.9 is used 6th generation and iPad Pro 11 is used 4th generation. Both these generations will form a gap between this pricing. What I want to say for this user experience for my personal, about 2 weeks I use this iPad Pro. If you are a student or co-worker, I highly recommend you all to adhere one screen protector called Paperlight. Why? We using iPad, if we not adhere the screen protector, it feel like you are right on the glass. Paperlight screen protector will help you to write in the proper manner and wouldn't cause any slide over when you have your sweat in your palm, something like that. The second accessory I will recommend you buy is the iPad protector, because iPad protector that can fold it into the triangle shape in order for you to have a good writing experience. In my summations, I would say iPad Pro 11 is very suitable for the student or co-worker who not like doing immense job scope. I think that is my explanation and my mindful advice for those who are looking for your iPad. Take this video and jot down some of the vital information that I briefly to explain it. Here I have a one question to ask you all. If you are the student or the co-worker of the company, what kind of iPad you purchase? Comment down below and let me know. I will reply to you all. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the like button. I will upload my new video every week. See you in the upcoming video. Bye bye.